Good morning and happy Tuesday. It's Jen at Polk County Public Libraries, and we're back for another virtual alphabet story time. So this week our letter is G. So I'm going to read a book called Let's Go ABC. So go starts with a G, and it will cover all of the letters we're doing, A through Z. And Miss Amelia is going to read There's a giraffe in my soup. So giraffe starts with a G. And then we're going to sing a song about the green grass that grows all around. So there are lots of G's in that song. There isn't early literacy worksheets this week. Those go out every other week, so that will be next week. But kids, you can pick up a snowflake symmetry STEM kit this week. And grown-ups, we have a special kit for you this week. You can do some marbled embroidery. So pick those up and keep watching for some G books and a great G song. Let's Go ABC, Things That Go from A to Z, by Rhonda Galler Green, illustrated by Daniel Kirk. Need to get from here to there? We can take you anywhere, on land or track, in air or sea, we're transportation A to Z. Let's go! I pick up speed, I'm gaining height. I catch the wind, ascend in flight. I'm an airplane. I'm boxy big, have rows of seats. I bustle, bounce through busy streets. Beep, beep, I'm a bus. On country curve or overpass, I vroom along, I gobble gas. And now I come electric too. Charge me up, good as new. I'm a car. I go on snow, I rush through slush. By dog I dash, huskies mush. I'm a dog sled. An injury, then call on me. Coming through emergency. Whew, whew, whew. I'm an EMS truck. Fearlessly I race ahead, my sirens loud, my lights flash red. Thick smoke and flames, hoses spray. I bring the team that saves the day. I'm a fire truck. I glide you to a mountaintop, what gorgeous views, then off you hop. I'm a gondola lift. I'm a flying acrobat, a spinning rotor is my hat. I tilt reverse, I hover too, plus I haul a rescue crew. I'm a helicopter. I sail by blade, I race on ice, I'm first across the finish. Nice. I'm an ice boat. I go by day or night, so starry. Jump in, join me on safari. See that jaguar in the tree? Explore, come jungle ride with me. I'm a jeep. One seat or two, ripples of blue, a peaceful stream. I kick back and dream. I'm a kayak. I'm luxurious and long. Your special night, come roll along. I'm elegant and leisurely. You'll feel just like a VIP. I'm a limousine. I'm furious fast, a mighty machine, a bike with muscle lean and mean. I'm a motorcycle. I'm a nimble, nifty gal. I navigate through the canal. I'm a narrowboat. I'm big, 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 yes, oversized. Once on board, you'll be surprised at all the fun you'll have on me, a floating city on the sea. I'm an ocean liner. I cruise through town out on patrol. Protecting people is my goal. I'm a police car. I'm quick and rugged, big wheel rough, through quagmire, dirt, or mud, I'm tough. I'm a quad bike. I aim towards space, I rattle, roar, countdown, rumble, blast off, soar. I'm a rocket. Inside the sea, I whisper sneak, I'm sly, by periscope I peek. Shh, I'm a submarine. Need a ride? Just wave me down. Ta-da, climb in, I'll weave through town. For a fare, I'll take you wee, exactly where you need to be. I'm a taxi. Try riding me, it takes technique and utmost balance. I'm unique. I'm a unicycle. I'm vast, I voyage on the seas. I make new car deliveries. I'm a vehicle carrier. Wait for me, I'm pokey slow. I need a pull to make me go. I'm a wagon. Slower guys, I swish right past because I'm extra, extra fast. No stops for me, explode in speed. My click-clack's quicker, guaranteed. I'm an express train. Yearn to splish splash fancy free. I plow the waves in luxury. I'm a yacht. I fly without a zoom or zip. Sail high, come float by huge airship. I'm a zeppelin. So many ways to move, to go by water, air, through ice and snow, by track, by wheels upon a street, or maybe you prefer just feet. The end.
Out in the woods, there was a tree, the prettiest tree that you ever did see. Well, the tree was in a hole, and the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. And on this tree, there was a branch, the prettiest branch that you ever did see. Well, the branch was on the tree, and the tree was in the hole, and the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. And on this branch, there was a nest, the prettiest nest that you ever did see. Well, the nest was on the branch, and the branch was on the tree, and the tree was in the hole, and the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. And in this nest, there was an egg, the prettiest egg that you ever did see. Well, the egg was in the nest, and the nest was on the branch, and the branch was on the tree, and the tree was in the hole, and the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. And in this egg, there was a bird, the prettiest bird that you ever did see. Well, the bird was in the egg, and the egg was in the nest, and the nest was on the branch, and the branch was on the tree, and the tree was in the hole, and the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. And the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around.
There's a Giraffe in My Soup by Ross Brock. Excuse me, waiter. There's a giraffe in my soup. This is a fine restaurant, sir. That simply cannot be. Look at that. There is a giraffe in your soup. A new bowl of soup for you right away. Here you are, sir, a fresh bowl of soup, minus the giraffe, of course. Bon appetit. Hello, little frog. How did you get in my soup? Ah! not a frog. Waiter, waiter, an alligator. Please hurry. My soup is trying to eat me. A new chomp bowl of soup for you. Chomp. Right away. Here you are, sir. A new bowl of soup. Alligator free. Enjoy. Waiter, waiter! Save her, save her! Please hurry! There's an elephant in my soup, and I don't think she can swim. Waiter, waiter, hurry back! Yak, yak, yak! Yuck, yuck, yuck. Oh, yak, yuck. Walrus? Ostrich? Shh! Koala? Snake? Whale? Can't he just eat around it? Here, at last, your soup, roaring with flavor. Lion? 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 Lion, enough of your complaints. I'm sure I made a minor jaffe with a giraffe. Maybe I overlooked a whale. But when it comes to taste, I am a professional. Do not dare accuse me of lion. Why didn't you say something? I'm terribly sorry, sir. It seems there's a slight mix-up. The zoo was sent our food and we were sent their animals. Let's skip the soup. Maybe dessert? Dessert is our treat. One moose with a cherry on top. Never mind. I'm eating somewhere else. Wait for me. And they went off to the zoo. The end.